Carlis Bardelis melakukan misi keliling dunia dengan menggunakan perahu dayung. Warga negara pecahan Uni Soviet tersebut singgah ke kota Bitung menunggu cuaca membaik. Seorang petualang asal negara Latvia, Carlis Bardelis, keliling dunia hanya dengan menggunakan perahu dayung. Carlis berangkat dari pantai barat Afrika, Namibia, pada tahun 2017, menyeberangi Samudra Atlantik dengan tujuan Brasil, Amerika Latin, kemudian melanjutkan perjalanan ke Peru dengan bersepeda. Dari Peru, pria lajang yang mengaku menjadikan perahu dayung sebagai kekasihnya menyeberangi Samudra Pasifik selama hampir 6 bulan. Pria berambut panjang tersebut mencukupi kebutuhan makanan dari makanan cepat saji, lengkap berisi nasi, sayur-sayuran, dan buah. Sedangkan untuk mencukupi kebutuhan air minum, perahu dayung kecil berukuran panjang 3 meter ini dilengkapi dengan pengolahan air osmosis yang merubah air laut menjadi tawar. Sedangkan untuk daya listrik mengandalkan energi matahari. Pria berusia 34 tahun ini telah menyeberangi 2 samudra, Atlantik dan Pasifik, dan kini menginap di sebuah resort di Bitung, menunggu cuaca membaik. Menurut Carlis Bardelis, ketakutan terbesar saat berada di tengah samudra ketika bertemu seekor hiu berukuran 5 meter di dekat perairan Sangihe.
On the eye, I could say it might be maybe 4 to 5 meters long. So quite big sharks, quite impressive. I even got a bit scared because they were hitting the boat with very, very big force. So I got even a bit scared, you know.
Sementara itu, pemilik resort John Ganda mengaku pihaknya menjemput Carlis Bardelis di perairan Selat Lembe setelah sebelumnya dihubungi Konsul Jenderal Latvia.
Pada waktu itu saya dihubungi oleh Konsul Jenderal Latvia yang ada
in Papua, you know, from that side. So
yes, that is good for you to end up here.
2 months.
2 months.
Okay.
Selama berapa lama terapung-apung?
But I you know, that's the east part of Papua New Guinea, like Madang. It's not Manokwari or no, it's more far.
Berapa lama terapung? 2 months in sea.
Yeah.
Kemudian
Dia rencana awalnya kan mau berhenti di Batu Tuang, tapi karena di Batu Tuang ombak besar, akhirnya dia keantar sampai kemari. Akhirnya pas dia lihat kulur, dia berhenti di kulur.
DPS perahu pakai mesin?
Enggak, pakai pengayuh. Tapi dia nggak mengayuh semua lagi, dia ikut jalur angin, no?
Ada layar?
No.
No. Cuma pakai dayung.
Not like this, but like this.
Like this.
Oh,
Pakai begini, no, ya?
nggak berat?
Is it heavy? Is it hard for you to...
To boat?
No, for me it's okay.
Panjangnya berapa? Panjang perahu?
How long the boat?
7.
7, bahan baku dari apa? Fiberglass?
Wood.
Wood. Oh, triplex.
Plywood.
Plywood.
Triplex. Like this.
Yes, like this?
No, it's plywood, right?
Yes.
Yes, plywood. Yes. Buatan Latvia, made in Latvia
In England.
and England.
Kan satu kantor ke sana.
Oh iya.
Terus pilih berapa? Ikaw lang taruh palpian. Sige taruh.
Oh iya.
Kalau wawancara besok motor ke dia.
Berapa hari nak makan? No eat.
Aku dia mau berapa ya?
Berapa hari? Day.
Kita suka ada beberapa sering ayam.
No.
Pindah dah.
What? I don't know.
Eat every day eat. Setiap hari makan.
Waktu dia terapung di laut.
Iya, makan.
Makan di laut.
Ada
Oh,
dia
ada
sudah
makanan.
persiapan, dia sudah
Makanan sama army kirim makanan.
makanan.
Lewat di air. Makan.
Di perairan mana dia diserang hiu?
Where do you when the shark attack your boat?
Your boat.
Where?
Here.
Di Sangir.
No, close to Matatong.
Mata tuang.
Setelah Marore.
Oh, memang banyak hiu di sana.
Uh,
Tapi aman.
but he said that is nothing bad happened.
No, nothing bad, but was quite
Scared.
scared.
Because I was planning I'm going to Batutuang for the shark. But now it's closed now, so I have no the strong reason to see.
Yeah, but
Tidak
Berarti kalau diserang Rio, bilang pada dia bawa motor.
But then it was not only in Latvia, it was in Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Belgium.
On what set do you know? On what TV?
No. It was in movie festivals.
Okay.
And then one movie festival picked it up to show it everywhere because they do a tour.
Jadi
And
musuh
then
festival yang
What was it?
Jadi dari
begitu.
negara-negara dari Jerman, Austria, New Zealand,
kind of,
Belgium.
yeah. In Germany, we have this outdoor movie
Was it
festival.
also in Ludwigsburg?
Yeah, they do a tour.
There were people that were doing skiing,
Yeah,
extreme skiing,
that's outdoor.
or kayak to
Yeah.
Alaska.
And then there is an ocean movie.
Okay.
But those the same organizers what who does the outdoor.
Atlantik.
And then
Atlantik, eh?
yeah.
Ya,
So yeah, I want to do also documentary about this thing. And on the island,
Sendiri.
it's so cool to have this local, some traditional cultural
Cuma pakai pangayung nih.
taste. In Papua New Guinea, I was lucky to arrive there when there was this cultural festival. In Tuvalu, there was also some kind of not festival.